This is America's most popular homemade waffle. This is the crispy, fluffy waffle that millions of Americans love for breakfast.
Add the eggs, milk, melted butter, and vanilla, then whisk until smooth.
Pour the batter into a hot waffle iron and let it cook. Cook until golden brown. Then carefully remove the waffle. Place a small piece of butter on the hot waffle and let it melt naturally. Add fresh fruit for the perfect American breakfast.